Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Farouk's English. Eid al-Adha is close to us. Everybody is nowadays busy to purchase cow to sacrifice for their Almighty Allah. So after purchasing a cow, you should follow some rules. The rules that will help you to make your environment clean, the rules that will help you to make your sacrifice very great. Yes, great. So what are those rules that you must follow? The first rule is, after sacrifice the animal, you should clean cow dung, blood, its roof, and after collecting this garbage, you should dig a hole and keep those garbage into the hole and fill up the hole with soil. As a result, the bad smell cannot come out from that hole. So dig a hole near your house if possible. If it is not possible, you should package all of this garbage into a polythene bag or other. Then throw it in a place that is far away from locality. In local area, people walk. After it, that garbage makes bad smell that is very harmful for people, especially those who are sick. So you have no right to make the air and to fill the air with bad smell. As you are a responsible citizen of our beautiful country, you have also responsibility for this country and for these people. Collect all kinds of garbage that is your sacrifice related and make it proper use. If possible, dig a hole and keep your all garbage into the hole. If it is not possible, then package all garbage and throw it far away where there is no locality. If you live in a city or town, there is dustbin available. So throw your all garbage into the dustbin. It will make the environment and the air very fresh. Fresh air is very suitable for all of us. It can make us healthy. It can help us to move here and there easily. Otherwise, if you do not do these tasks intentionally, our environment will be polluted by us. So do you want to be a polluter? A polluter is not a good person. In our society, everybody hates the person who pollutes the air environment. So do not be a hateful person. Be a lover person. Do some kinds of deeds that will help you to be honored, to be appreciated. Your appreciation is not a valueless product. It is so much highly appreciable things. So let's go to the main point. After Eid day, after sacrifice your animal, you should preserve all kinds of garbage, blood, skin, cow dung, rope, and other things. You should preserve these things very safely. And if you do this, you will move here and there safely and freely without enjoying the bad smell. That's it. Thank you so much for listening to me patiently. See you next one. Bye bye.